While people will tell you that you can replace the Serpentine belt on your Cayenne 958 without removing anything, I would not even try. If you're replacing it for the first time, begin by removing the front and side engine panels. Please see the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with those tasks if needed. Next, remove the charged air or the Y pipe. I also recommend removing the radiator fan shroud. It only takes a few minutes and gives you a lot more room to work. Again, please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance if needed. With these components removed, you will have lots of room to work. We have also removed the coolant hoses for photographic purposes only. You do not have to remove these. This image illustrates the path the belt takes. It should also be on the underside of your hood. 1. Over the coolant pump. 2. Over the pulley. 3. Around the AC compressor. 4. Over the power steering pump. 5. Around the vibration dampener. 6. Over the belt tensioner. 7. Over the pulley. And 8. Around the alternator. This image shows the belt tensioner pulley, red arrow, and the hydraulic tensioner, blue arrow. If you are going to be putting the belt back on for some reason, like you're removing it to replace a water pump, always make sure to mark the order of rotation, red arrow. You now need to release the tension on the belt. Use a 30mm wrench on the pivot point on the mount, red arrow, or a T50 on the hydraulic tensioner and turn it clockwise. This will compress the hydraulic tensioner. This will also release tension on the belt and slip it off the roller. You will also need to remove the mount for the coolant hose on the front of the motor to remove and install a new belt. You can use a T27 Torx and remove the bracket, red arrow, or unclip it from the mount, green arrow. Next, separate the small line, blue arrow. Gently squeeze in on the two tabs and separate the line. This will allow you to pass the belt through. Installation is the reverse of removal. Make sure to note the position and the routing of the old belt when removing. Make sure to slip the belt over the line and the bracket before you start routing it. The last thing you want to route it over is the tensioner roller while it is in the untensioned position. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.